A powerful nor'easter is set to march up the I-95 corridor starting Sunday, bringing heavy snow, damaging winds, and near-blizzard conditions to the Northeast. Blizzard warnings now stretch from Delaware to Massachusetts, and New York City is under its first blizzard warning since 2017, the New York Times reports. Forecasts call for several inches to well over a foot of snow, some models showing up to 18 to 24 inches, with wind gusts of 55 to 60 miles per hour, ABC News warns. Officials, including New York State leaders who declared an emergency, are urging residents to prepare, avoid travel, and follow local advisories, NBC News adds.